Ready to relive your childhood or fulfill your childhood dream or make your children's dream? Then come buy this 2024 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport, powered by a Mercury 40 horsepower 4-stroke fuel injected motor. This boat comes with the trailer and spare, has a bimini top with it, little 6-gallon removable gas tank, anchor locker storage in the bow, side console with bench seat. Lots of options available for this boat if you want to add things like bucket seats or cushions, or add a stereo or a fish finder, or just want the bare bones boat that it is. A lot of fun, lots of places you can go with these little boats. Good for all sorts of things. We absolutely love them. This is the 13 foot. We also do have this available in the 16 foot with the 90 horsepower on it as well. And the good thing is we can have it ready to go in about an hour for you. Come and see us at MarineMax here in Greenville. We'd love to help get you on this little whaler. Thank you.